Thank you, Jyoti. Thank you. Thank you very much. Hello, good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Good
Welcome
evening.
to IAI3. Today we have a very interesting speaker with us, Mrs. Pankita Shah. Welcome, Pankita ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you
Pankita,
very much.
welcome, Pankita. Pankita is an active graphologist, a sound therapist, ready call healer, Bach flower practitioner, and tarot card reader. She has done several workshops and trained in schools, corporates, and done individual clients also. So we all need a lot of positive energy in our lives, especially with this COVID situation. So this topic is going to be very relevant for all of us. Thank you so much, ma'am, Pankita, for
Yeah,
coming and
thank you.
addressing us.
Thank you for inviting me over here. Yeah, thank you, Jyoti. Thank you, Paul
You're
sir.
welcome.
Thank you, Anjali ji. Yeah,
Thank you,
okay.
ma'am.
Fine. So should we wait or Jyoti, should we start?
Yeah, please start. Please go ahead.
We'll start. Okay. So, okay, today the topic is basically radical affirmations. Yeah, it is by Dr. Atman. By Atman, she is a Dr. Neeta Yuvraj. Basically, she calls herself as a Atman, and her name is Neeta Yuvraj. If you can, by chance, if you want, you can go on to the Facebook and see it. Yeah, the company's name is Omnipresence Academy of Life Private Limited. Okay. Uh, okay. So what radical affirmations are? See, basically radical affirmations are on the basis of our 7 chakras, major chakras. Basically, everybody knows about the 7 chakras, but nobody knows there are many other 250 minor chakras in our body. Like you can see, simply a simple on the top of our finger, yeah, or in the middle of our palm. So there are many minor chakras which are there. So around 250 minor chakras are there in our body, along with our major 7 chakras. Yeah, major 7 chakras. Can anybody, yeah, Anjali ji or Paul sir, you know about major 7 chakras, right?
Yeah.
I have some idea, Pankita ma'am. I have some
Okay.
idea about chakras.
Yeah, some chakras. See, chakras are the basically, it's our body. Yeah, in our body, if you see, there are minor chakra. I mean, major chakras are there. Chakras are
Yes.
the, I mean, if you see a pinpoint like at the Muladhar, there is
Yes.
one chakra at the Muladhar. Then
Right.
again, till up about till crown, we have 7 chakras. Muladhar is the
Yes.
first one. Then you have a sex chakra. Then you have a, what you can say, I forgot
Right. I
exactly
think
what we call is that
is it
navel
that
chakra. Yeah, navel
yes,
chakra. Then we have a
Sacral,
heart.
sacral,
Yeah, heart
sacral.
chakra. Sacral chakra is there. Yeah, heart chakra is there. You can say throat
when we
chakra, ajna chakra, and above the last one is
ah,
crown chakra. So these are the
yes,
basic 7 chakras that everybody understands. Okay.
yes,
But together with this, uh, around 250 minor chakras are there. Okay. So what we are going to learn is how does this 250 minor chakra helps us to cure so many things in our life, right? So, and there is something called soul's temple and soul's love technique. Okay. So we will learn about something called soul's temple and soul's love. I will introduce you to this. Everybody can do it on their own. Yeah, there's no need for me to do anything about it. Yeah, everybody will be able to do that on your own, right? So we will just know what this radical affirmations can do. Yeah, radical affirmations are there. This helps us to precisely diagnose and cure our erroneous thoughts, yeah, feelings, to know the core strengths and the areas of strengths and or improvement in an individual, and also for individuals relationship, profession, financial situations, and also in other areas. See, so radical affirmations, what they do is they just precisely diagnose. Yeah, to see, we do not talk about our medical, that's a, you can say this is a therapy. Yeah, together with our medicine we can do it. Yeah, we don't want to replace this, but you can say this will go hand in hand, which basically, see, most of the around say 80% of our ailments are due to our real thoughts. Yeah, the erroneous thoughts that we have, the feeling with that, because of that changes. Yeah, so basically, so to understand that, we use the radical affirmations so that we understand our core strength also, and and how we can improve, give the improvement. Okay, clear? Anything that you would like to know?
Yes, that's right. We have to have some self-talk, positive self-talk.
Right, positive self-talk here. So what I'm going to do is, we just want to know what is the difference between the regular affirmations that we have, and what is the difference between the radical affirmations. Okay, so we'll just explain you affirmations and radical affirmations. What are the difference between that? Okay, so affirmations are basically self-help strategy, right? It is used to promote self-confidence and belief in our own abilities, right? Affirmations are some simple statements that we recite again and again, and let those words enter our subconscious mind. Okay, so many a times we have affirmed statements like, I love myself, I believe in my abilities, I accept myself. Yeah, yes, everybody has used this kind of affirmations, right? I love myself, I
Yes.
believe in my abilities, right? I accept myself. So these are the usually regular affirmations are there, which everybody nowadays knows about, right? But if the statements are unrealistic or untrue, you know, many a times, just imagine if you have, I believe in my abilities, or I accept myself. But basically in our subconscious mind, if we do not do that, see, basically subconscious minds is something very, very strong about. That is, you know, basically if we see, our mind is divided into two parts. That is, one is subconscious mind and our conscious mind. So basically what happens, the conscious mind, the part of our conscious mind is very low. It's maybe just around say 10 to 15%. Whereas our subconscious mind is almost 70 to 80%.
Right.
Right? Almost 80-85% is our subconscious mind. But what we
Yes.
do is, we just use our conscious mind for our regular work to 70-80%. Whereas the subconscious mind is just lying idly. That is not used at all. Yeah. Whereas if you see, if you know how to use your subconscious mind, you can really do wonders in your life. So here what we are doing is, we are tapping our subconscious mind through a right affirmations. Now, if in the back of your subconscious mind, when you are saying that I accept myself, but in the back of your subconscious mind, it is not true. Yeah, or I love myself. Many a times it happens that you don't love yourself, but still you affirm that. So just imagine how will it help it? I'm sure that is not going to help at all. Right? Right or not?
Yes, 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 right, ma'am.
Right. So what?
Absolutely.
Yes.
Yes.
Right. So what happens is, so but if these statements are unrealistic or untrue for the reciter, if a person is reciting it, and if that is untrue, or it is not, it's unrealistic, right? Then his or his mind, her mind will reject it, or
Yes.
not let it work instantly. You know, this might help. Reciter will be able to help it if it continues for a very, very long time. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it will affect, I would say it totally that it won't affect it, but I'm sure it will help you in a very long run, right? But
Right.
where is the radical affirmations? Yeah, the radical affirmation involves diagnosing your root cause of any problem. Yeah, with what radical affirmations, what we do, we diagnose the root cause of any affirmations, problems with dowsing. Yeah, we use the dowser. Basically, you
Yeah.
can see this are the, this is the dowser that we have, and we use this dowser to recognize the root cause. Basically, you know, many a times, many problems happens in our life, but there may be a root cause of everything. So when something we want to, what we do is we find out the root cause with this dowsing the chakras with this pendulum, okay, and reversing it with appropriate affirmations. Then what we do is we affirm, we find out what is the root cause, and with this we give the affirmations and we reverse our situation, right? So dowsing is done on 7 major chakras plus 250 minor chakras. And the affirmations is designed according to the block chakra. So basically, if we see the chakra is moving continuously on the clockwise side. But if we see the chakra is not blocked, yeah, so either it is still or it is either moving on the anti-clockwise. So that what happens if your chakras are not moving properly. If any blocked chakras are there, so with the dowsing, we find out what is the root cause and which chakra is blocked. With that, if you affirm, many things happens. Like when this correctly defined, then what we do is we design the affirmations. Okay, and this design affirmation said all the chakras starts rotating in a right manner, and a person either has a shift. You know, a person has a shift, a kind of you know, they suddenly think, oh, something is happening to them. Okay, or they really feel very relaxed. Many a times a person, if they are given this of radical affirmations, yeah, they go to sleep. Yeah, because they really feel relaxed or a release. They usually have a release. Okay, or might experience an aha moment. You know what is that aha moment is, you know, they feel, I'm relaxed. I mean, totally what was going in their mind, that is changed. Okay, yeah, so till now, any questions or any particular things that you would like to know? Yeah, Anjali ji.
Do these blockages come because of our thinking, or is it because of, you know,
Yeah, yeah,
bad
blockage.
experiences?
Yeah, everything is included in that. Your see,
Yes.
bad experiences, many bad experiences lead you to a certain kind of thinking, right? And that
Yes. Yes.
thinking will block your chakras. There are
Right.
so many emotions are there. Yeah, so what we do is those emotions really make a lot of difference in our life, right?
Yes.
A simple
Yes.
simple things are there, yeah, and those block that really blocks our chakras. So basically what
Right.
we do is we find out the root cause, and after finding
Yes.
out the root cause, we usually help them to find the affirmations. Each and every chakra, 250 chakras has their own affirmations. It has not just like a simple affirmations that we have,
Yes.
like I
Yes.
like myself or something. It's not just like that. I'll just show
Yeah.
you how these affirmations are.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, the special radical designed affirmations are like for opening of a root chakra. If the root chakra, if I find out, if I am dowsing it, and if I find out that the root chakra is blocked, yeah, I can give you affirmations. I choose to thrive in life, or I am a spiritual being here on a material journey. Yeah, any of that also with the dowsing, we find it out and we do it. Yeah, for opening of ankle chakra, I continue to operate out of my inner strength. You so near the ankle there is one chakra. Okay, and this chakra, if by chance if this chakra is blocked, I continue to operate out of my inner strength. So that is what basically this chakras, I mean these affirmations are like. Okay, next is this is an example that is I have when I have dealt with people. The first example, a person who had come with his child, that he was not able to write speedily in the exam. Now, basically, what happens, you know, CBSE and ICSE schools, they have a very strict rules, especially for the 10th board exams. They compulsorily have to write with a ballpoint pen and not with the gel pen. Yeah, because their papers go to, especially for the Bombay people, their papers go to Delhi to check up. So by chance, if something happens, leakage, I mean, any water droplet or something is there, the papers might get destroyed. So because of that, they want compulsory to child to write it in a with a ballpoint pen. Now that what happened is basically that child was not able to write it fast because he was regularly till 8th, 9th standard, he was used to write it with the gel pen. So his speed was really very good. But then it happened that he was, because in 10th, and suddenly now you have to change it with the ballpoint pen. So his speed was really, speed really came down. So that mother had come to me that now what can I do? So I said, why don't you try this radical affirmations? We will find out what is the cause of it. Now, what was the cause? It was below the wisdom truth. Yeah, the main chakra, when I doused it, I found it was below the wisdom tooth. Yeah, and the affirmation that I had given is, I free myself from external stresses and relax periodically. Now that child was really external. I mean, his mother was really pressurizing. She was giving a stress to that child. And so he was not relaxing. Periodically, even if your exams are there, periodically you do have to relax. So that for child was not happening it. So that person, now I just gave the affirmations and I said, please do it religiously or I'm sure that will help him. So now what happened is, after some days, that lady she went to her brother's place. And if you see, her brother was really a pen lover, and he had a habit of collecting up pens. So, I mean, the brother showed that, can he showed some pen. So now the sister really asked him what this pen is about. Yeah, this is something, it looks like a regular pen. Then the brother said that this pen is a gel pen, but still it's a smudge proof. Even if a glass of whole water drops on that, nothing happens. Yeah, so if you see so the child got a pen which was smudge proof. So now again the child can write it with a gel pen, but again it's on a smudge proof. So the exam was good enough. He could write it speedily. So this is one kind of example where each and every situations can be turned. Okay, so there was one other person who had come. She had a cyst. Regular, she used to repeated cyst in a year. Regularly she used to get a cyst, repeated cyst. So so basically when I doused it, I found it was under the chin. Yeah, there was a blockage under the chin. Yeah, so affirmations I gave is, I invite others to value my wise advice at the right time in a right manner. Okay, so what is to happen is, she was the whole and soul of the family, but still the family never used to listen to her advice. Many a times they used to just, they didn't listen to the advice that she used to give, right? So, and that also in the right manner. They used to then, after sometimes when they found the advice that she had given was right, but that was, even the time was gone. So that is to happen, and then she used to feel a pain that now people are not listening, and now and at the end she only has to suffer for that. Yeah. So the result was she got a relief from the cyst and the pain. Yeah, so these are some examples of how radical affirmations. Now nobody knows also that something like we just usually affirm is, I love myself or something like that. So here, if you see, the affirmations are totally different. I free myself from external stresses and relax periodically. Yeah, or I invite others to value my wise advice and at right time in a right manner. Yeah, so these are some of the affirmations that are given to the people. Okay, so if anybody wants just now, if anybody has some pain like Anjali ji or Jyoti ji or Paulo sir, if any chance, if you have some pain or something, I can find it out just now itself. What affirmations you can have it. Yeah, and we can work on that.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
I'm Mangai Kumar speaking.
Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, my feet ka pain, na, it is usually there always in my feet. I'm a rheumatoid arthritis patient also, and
Uh-huh.
I have relieved on all the joint pains from my neck to all the joints
Uh-huh.
just with Sujok therapy, and I'm
Okay.
fine without any medication. But this
Okay.
feet pain alone under my feet, na, that alone doesn't go very easily. It is a morning stiffness is there, then later on it reduces.
Okay. Just a minute. I'll find the
Is
affirmations.
it?
Exactly what is the problem, right? Okay. So basically, Bangaji, what is happening is,
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
reminder to address others' dislike for you or a part of your personality. You know, there are many a times something is there, somebody is not liking it. And because of that,
Okay.
you are also getting affected by that. You know, that personality,
Okay.
we can find it out. Okay. I mean, just now I'm just giving you affirmations for that. That is, the more I like myself, the more others like me.
Okay.
You know,
That is
so
what I have to repeatedly say.
repeatedly you can do it for 21 times. The more I like
Mm.
myself, the more others like me. You know, so that is what
Okay.
what you personally have to find it out. What is it
Okay.
that is you don't like about yourself, and because of that, other person also does not like it. So the main root cause is that. Okay. So basically, if you say if you are doing a sujo,
You mean to say that somebody else is not liking what I do?
right? I mean, not do some personality trait of yours. Somebody, because see,
Yeah.
what happens is you don't like that personality of yours, and because of that, see, we ourselves are the mirror. So if you
Okay.
don't like something about yourself, the same thing
Mm.
it gets other person also has the same thing about it. So what we have to do is
Okay.
we have to find it out what personality trait that is there which is affecting it. So this is something which we can do a
Okay.
deep rooting about it, because not here on the everybody's, but if you can contact me
Yeah.
personally, we can do it. But this is the main thing. So here what you can do is you can just affirm it and you can say it. The more I like myself, yeah, the more others like me. So this is the,
Okay.
you can say one finger above the eyebrow. Yeah, on the right hand
Yeah.
side. Yeah, this is the point
Okay.
that is blocked. Yeah, so what we do
Yes.
is with the dowsing, I just found it with the dowsing, what was the main cause. And this is how regularly we do the affirmations. We design
Okay.
the affirmations. Okay.
Mm.
Yeah. Anybody
Thank
else
you,
who
ma'am.
would like to? Yeah, most welcome. Anybody else who would like to do it?
Ankita,
Yeah.
my son, last 6 years, he has got a knee problem.
Knee problem. Okay.
Knee, apna
हाँ
left
हाँ
knee,
okay
right knee.
yeah okay
Whenever he drives, when he drives, I think it increases more.
okay I just find it out.
Last Sunday,
हाँ
we took MRI.
हाँ
So there, the MRI showed that there is some growth in the, on the knee.
हाँ
It is something like lytic.
okay
Some object is growing. It is not
okay
actually. I don't think it is bone. It is some sort of a some growth is there.
hmm. Yeah many a times it happens, something like that happens.
Actually, many doctors whom we had shown earlier, they said you have got psychological problem because my son has basically got a lot of negativity.
Okay
So that negativity actually, causes that blockage in the knee.
Okay, so even for you, it is the same thing that is happening. Yeah,
Yeah.
the main thing is reminded to ensure that you periodically relax. Your son
Yeah.
should periodically relax himself. He must be taking too much of stress,
Yes.
right? So that is happening the knee pain. So the affirmation is, I ensure periodic time of relaxation in my busy routine.
Can you repeat again? I ensure.
I ensure periodic
Yeah.
time of relaxation,
Periodic
time of
time
relaxation
for
in my busy
relaxation.
routine. Okay, Jyoti, I got the message that within 10 minutes it will.
Yeah. So there are 10 minutes left. So I think you can continue for another 8 minutes and leave 2 minutes for vote of
Okay.
thanks by Paul.
Okay, so we will go on fast. Now the next technique is Soul's Temple and Soul's Love. Yeah, these are the self-management techniques. These are very easy technique and anybody can do their personal emotion clearing using this technique. Yeah, the Soul's Temple is basically, through this we acknowledge the life issues and bring them into the mainstream. Yeah, to be dealt effectively by divine life force rather than putting into junk folders of the subconscious mind. It can be anything. Yeah, and Source Love, this is a newly developed technique for modern day issues. Through this, we are also acknowledging the life issues and bringing them to the mainstream to be dealt effectively, but with our own source love. Yeah, our own love for our souls, our own soul. Yeah, how it is used. Yeah, you can use dash. Dash is given here. That means you can put up anything. Like you can say my knee pain, like you were talking about Colossus, right?
Yeah.
Knee pain is my soul's love. Yeah, my need for knee pain is my soul's love. Yeah, my resistance to let go of knee pain is my soul's love. You can use it 7 times. You can recite again and again, like knee pain is my soul's love, knee pain is my soul's love. Or you can use soul's temple also. Knee pain is my soul's temple, knee pain is my soul's temple. Or my need for knee pain is my soul's temple, my resistance to let go of knee pain is my soul's temple. Yeah, so with this technique anybody can simply clear their unwanted emotions and can handle any situation and work on their aches and pains. Okay. Any situation also, if you are into some situation, either your job has gone. So this job is my soul's love, right? Or like simple head loss. If you are having too much of head loss, you can use this. Head loss is my soul's love, right? So anything, my need for head loss is my soul's love. My resistance to let go of head loss is my source love. Yeah, you can just 7 to 21 times you can recite it and you can do it. Okay. At last, I would just like to tell you that there are 2 programs going on. Yeah, one is Chakra Revival Program, that is for 28 days, and one is Spiritual Solutions Radical Karma Clearance, which is for 49 days. These 2 programs are going on free at this point of time because of the lockdown. The people have given, Omnipras Academy has given these 2 programs are there. So if anybody by chance wants to do that program, they can contact me and I will guide you for this programs. 2 programs are there. First is Chakra Revival Program. All these 7 chakras that we are talking about, every week has 1 chakra, right? So 7 chakras that we have. Oh no, it will be 49 days only. Yeah, sorry, 49 days, not 28 days. It is for the 49 days. And sorry, this Spiritual Solutions Karma Clearance is for 49 days. I mean, I've just mixed both things. Chakra Revival is for 49 days and Spiritual Solutions Radical Karma Clearance is for 28 days. So if by chance anybody wants to do it, they can contact me. I'm sure I'll be able to help them to, I will guide them about this program and they can do, I mean, I have got a people who have really got a shift after, I mean, myself, I've got a shift after this is quite long. I wanted to do bak flower, and Neeta ma'am, I should thank the Neeta ma'am with whom I did the bak flower. Even tarot card I wanted to do since long time, and I got the opportunity to learn this in the lockdown. So when I did this karma clearance, I got really good. I mean, good effect from that. So there are many. I have a person who, since quite long, he was finding a girl for himself, and after doing this karma clearance, he got engaged. I mean, a few days back, a month back, he called me up that he got engaged. So it really works wonders for everyone. Yeah. So if by chance you can do it, you can just call me or for this, and you can call me anytime. Yeah. Thank you, Jyoti. Thank you, Paul sir. Thank you, Anjali.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. It was a lovely talk, Pankita ma'am.
Thank you very
Yeah.
much.
Very enlightening.
Yeah, thank you.
Very positive. Very
He's a
nice.
virtual healer
Yeah,
as
thank
well.
you.
Thank you
Thanks,
so much for
Pankita.
coming.
Yeah. Right. Okay, so should we end
Can
it?
I take the platform? Can I take the platform?
Yeah, sure.
Well, on behalf of IAI3, I thank Pankita Madam for coming forward and conducting this knowledge sharing session. This is really a need of the hour, especially in this corona pandemic time. Not only now, it is also useful for all the people for long life. For the secret of long life is positive thinking. So thank you very much, Pankita Madam.
Most welcome. Most welcome.
I thank you for, and I also thank all the participants, especially Jyoti, who is organized this knowledge sharing session, Anjali Madam, who introduced you, and I don't know whether Dr. Neeta is there, and I also thank Mangai for being present. Now, I invite people for knowledge sharing session. Up to 5th January, we have scheduled it. So those who are willing to conduct knowledge sharing session on 12th, 19th, 26th January, they are welcome. Please give your name and topic so that we can include it in the e-journal being released shortly. I also request everyone to send articles so that whatever are received in a day or two can be included in the e-journal. I invite everyone to be paid members because there are a lot of expenses to run this IAI3. So those who are not become paid members, please become paid members as soon as possible. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you very much. Okay, so bye-bye. Should we leave the meeting?
Now, next knowledge sharing session is by me, Dr. Paulo Serimbur. The topic is childhood and personality disorders.
Okay, childhood and personality.
So, all this is originated during early childhood, 0 to 6 years. Maybe all these are interconnected. All
right.
These,
yeah, 100%. This is interconnected because if you see what happens in childhood, yeah, there are so many times that happens in childhood that really makes lot of difference in our life.
As you said rightly, you are doing this affirmation, but if your subconscious mind based on your early childhood life experience is negative, this affirmation will not work because they don't get connected together.
Right. Yeah. So simple affirmations that we do it really won't have. See, I won't say that it totally does not affect. It does give you some, but it really takes a very, very long time to give that affirmations work on. Like if you see, I love myself, or simply so many things are there. If you say it won't say that. I won't say that it does not affect. It does affect you, but it takes a long time. But whereas if you see these radical affirmations are there, at that point of time when you start reciting, you really feel that. And here we can, like with the simple affirmations, what it happens is nothing, it is not something very regular. I mean, you cannot work with your emotions. Here we can find out the emotions and then work on that. That will help you a lot. Yeah.
Ankita, now let us say that we keep saying this affirmation, I love myself, I love myself. Somebody at the home, maybe spouse or some friend say, hey, what a dirty looking your face you have got, or you are very untidy.
Right.
So then he go to the childhood belief, yes, I am not capable, I am not lovable.
Right.
I am
So
not
that is the reason we say. So what we do is we really find it out what exactly, what is the problem, the root cause. You know, we can find out what is the root cause. Like we, for the Mangi Kumar or for this Mangai Kumar or for your sons, we did. We can find it out, and we can. I'm sure that is the reason we can find out, and we can dig into it, and then can